Document B. If I scroll down, I see right away that document B is a map. This map is from the World Bank in 2019. Now, this is a solar resource map, so it has to do with sunlight, and its title is Global Horizontal Irradiation in the Middle East and North Africa. Irradiation is probably a new word for a lot of us. It means sunlight. It measures how intense and the amount of sunlight that an area gets. Now, this is showing me the Middle East and North Africa. My question is just asking about the Middle East, so I'm really going to focus on this area on the right, which is the Middle East. Now, I'm wondering what these colors mean. If I look at the key here, it tells me that the dark red areas receive a lot of sunlight. The sun is very intense there, whereas the green and yellow areas receive less sunlight. So I noticed that I see a lot of dark red in Southwest Saudi Arabia, in Yemen, in Oman. Now, my first thought is these would be great areas to build solar panels. Yes, solar panels are very expensive, but if the sun is so intense there, they could produce a lot of energy that could be used to bring electricity to schools and hospitals and things that could improve people's lives. So if I look at my note catcher, I think this map supports this side of the question. I think this map shows that the Middle East can use its natural resources, such as sunlight, to improve people's lives because there's so much of it available. So, a lot of you are going to ask, how do I use evidence from this? There's no quotes, there's no words. You're just going to explain what you see on the map. So, I'll show you what I mean. If I go back to my note catcher, I'm going to be typing on the left side because that's the side of the question I think this map supports. And I'm going to write, this map shows that southwest regions of the Middle East receive large amounts of sunlight. This sunlight could be used to produce large amounts of energy. There you go. Now you can fill in more bullet points. Maybe you see something I don't that could support the opposite side of the claim. You do not need to put the same thing as me. But just remember, to give evidence from a visual, you're describing what you see. Notice that I started with this map shows. That's a really good way to get started.